How to install Applinked on Firestick for 2025. I am going to tell you how to install Applinked on your Firestick. First, get the downloader app from Amazon's App Store. Then go to Settings, My Fire TV, Developer Options, and then enable ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources, specifically for downloader. Next, open downloader, enter the Applinked APK URL, download it, and tap install. Once installed, hit done and delete the APK to save space. You can now find Applinked in your apps, move it into the front row if you'd like quick access. Just remember that Applinked is a third-party APK installer, so be cautious. It's wise to use a VPN for privacy and keep your device secure. And that's it. Easy side loading, no official store needed, and you're ready to browse custom app repositories.